Today we're making Malaysian style buttermilk chicken. It's creamy, it's sweet, savory, rich, and a little bit spicy. Let me be clear, there is no buttermilk in the recipe. It's butter and milk. My last salted egg episode had a bit of a thing going on at the comment section about the non-use of buttermilk but calling it buttermilk. A bit of mistake on our end. We apologize for that, but let me be clear right now in the beginning. Okay, so here we have our chicken. I'm just going to be cutting up this chicken into cubes. Remove the fillet, slice it down, and sort of just nice chunks. Not too big, not too small. Now I'm using chicken breast here, but you can also use boneless chicken leg. It's completely up to you. Now we're just going to marinate this chicken with a couple of ingredients. A little bit of sesame oil, hit a white pepper, some salt. Give everything a good mix. Want to make sure the chicken is nice and flavorful even on the inside. If you do not marinate your chicken, what's going to happen is you're going to get all that beautiful sauce on the outside, but once you bite into the chicken is tasteless. All right, there we go. Let's leave this aside. While I prepare the other ingredients, I'm going to be heating up a wok of oil because we'll need to deep fry the chicken first. Okay, so we have here some garlic. Smash, thin slice, just mince. Go, beautiful, lay on the side. Now, bird's eye chili. Now this really depends on how much you can take. Yeah, if you don't like it too spicy, you can reduce the amount of bird's eye chili, or if you do not like it spicy at all, just use the big, fresh red chilies. Yeah, get it in there. At least a little bit of chili to sort of put a little bit of heat, because it is a very creamy dish. So you need a little bit of heat just to sort of cut that richness. All right, now we put in to our chicken 1 egg. Break up the egg. We're going to add in some flour, 2 tablespoons of regular plain flour, and some rice flour. So the rice flour is going to give it that nice crisp, while the regular flour is going to sort of hold it together. Okay, just mix everything together. All right, so now we're just going to be dropping this chicken into this oil. Make sure the oil's hot enough. Okay, if you need to, do it in 2 batches, because the last thing you want to do is overcrowd your deep frying, overcrowd your wok, and the temperature goes down. Next thing you know it, the chicken's not crisping up, it's absorbing a lot of oil, and it's chicken breast. Yeah, if it's in there for too long, the chicken breast is going to overcook and get tough. There we go, nice chicken popcorn. All right, now we're just adding a little bit of oil in, and this is mainly to prevent sort of the butter from burning. Yeah, so we're adding in our butter. There we go, the garlic goes in, and now you want to get the garlic sort of nice and golden in this butter. So take it nice and slow, because you don't want to burn the butter or the garlic. It's important to keep stirring because you don't want the sides. The sides tend to get burnt fairly quickly, and once the sides get burnt and you incorporate that into everything, you're going to get a hint of bitterness in the dish. Now once you see the color of the garlic starts turning, add in your chili and your curry leaves. Be generous with the curry leaves. That's what's going to give it the aroma. Stir everything together. Nice. We're going to add in, this is evaporated milk. Yeah. There we go. Beautiful. You can already smell the fragrance of the nice golden brown garlic, the curry leaves, the chili, all coming together. Now this will thicken very easily on its own. Now we're just going to season this. A little bit of salt, touch of sugar. The flavor of this dish is sort of savory, sweet, and rich. Yeah. Now, just a touch or a little pinch of chicken seasoning. Give this a quick stir. Beautiful. Now taste. Oh, it smells absolutely delicious. Nice. There are a couple of variants to this Malaysian buttermilk chicken. Some people add in a little bit of curry powder to it. You can. I just prefer the clean aroma from curry leaves rather than having it, you know, very messy with a lot of spice inside. Yeah, I just prefer a cleaner flavor to this dish. Now, this is nice and thick already. Yeah, you can see it sort of has a nice consistency. Heat on full whack, and we're dumping in our chicken. Give it a quick toss around. There we go, beautiful. Now, once the chicken goes in, you don't want to cook it for too long because you don't want your chicken to turn soggy, and you sort of want to have a little bit of sauce to go with it. If you cook it for too long, all that sauce is going to dry up and it's going to become nice, a bit too thick. And this, just look at that. Stunning, beautiful, delicious. Get all that curry leaves out. Now for the garnish, I've got a mixture of coriander and spring onion. Sort of something that's nice and refreshing. That will cut the richness from this buttermilk. There we go. So when you eat everything together, you get this nice rich flavor, and then you get the fragrance of coriander and spring onion both happening at the same time. It's just going to be absolutely mind-blowing. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. This is the Malaysian style buttermilk chicken. Ah, the smell of it. I just can't wait to dig in, guys. This is absolutely delicious. Get some coriander on there. Guys, the chicken is nice and succulent, juicy. It's got that nice crust on the outside that just holds on to that creamy butter and milk sauce. Garlicky, the fragrance of the curry leaves, a little bit of heat that comes from the back of the throat from the chilies. This is absolutely delicious. Now, this is one of the dishes that you gotta serve it sort of right away. Yeah? If you keep it on for too long, the evaporated milk that's in there, the cream, it's sort of just gonna cake up, and the outside, the coating of the chicken is just going to turn soggy. So time yourself correctly. Yeah, you can pre-fry the chicken first, leave it until you're ready to serve. You can bake the sauce very quickly, fold in your chicken and serve it straight away. Important. God, it's so good. All right, guys, I hope you'll try this recipe. Super simple, something that I guarantee your family is going to enjoy eating. If you've got kids, lessen down the chilies, you know, so they can enjoy it as well. Again, it's just something for everyone to enjoy. If you've enjoyed this recipe and this content, please do click the like and subscribe button, help a brother out. Yep. I'll see you next week, guys. Oh, don't forget, leave a comment down below on how your version of butter and milk chicken, Malaysian style buttermilk chicken is, or if you want me to try any other recipes, all right? I'll see you next week, guys. Peace.